We got about 100 of these guys that live here year round. Not only is it, we have 100 dolphins, we have 9 babies out here right now. One of them's only 3 weeks old. He's like this big. Not only is it baby season, you guys, but guess what? It's mating season too. So if you guys see any dolphins wrestling, calm down. They're just wrestling. These guys are awesome. They'll live to be 50 years old, weigh 500 pounds, and be over 8 feet long. Very big animals. They're probably looking for food right now. They got to eat 30 pounds of food a day just to maintain body weight. They're always looking for food. Now, who wants to know how to get the best picture? What you do is you take your camera, you point them at the dolphin, right? And then you don't take a picture. Take a video and then later take a screenshot. It guarantees you a good shot. We can get them to come right up to the boat. Do you guys want that?
Yeah!
We just gotta sacrifice a small child. Which one? Hey guys.
He right there.
Oh, there you go. The captain's gonna do, you guys. What he's gonna do?
Oh, they right there.
It's his favorite thing to do. He waits till the dolphin are right in front of him, and then he runs right over the top of him.
They right here.
Don't worry, they're smarter than that. We're gonna see if we can get them jumping behind the boat. You guys want that?
Yeah.
Too bad.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. All right, guys. If you want, you're gonna want to go towards the back of the boat. The more weight in the back, the better. It makes a bigger wake for us. Get those video cameras out. If they start jumping, you guys gotta clap, scream, whistle, make as much noise as possible. I train them to jump when they hear lots of noise. I swear. All right, guys. Keep an eye out back there. Hey, we already got one. We got 2 on the left-hand side, 2 little babies. You ready for the jump? Get ready.
Oh!
Yeah, we got them on both sides. Make some noise if you want them to jump. We got a couple babies going to play. They got 4 or 5 on the left side. Keep on making noise. Come on. Big boy joined the party. We got 3 of them on the left.
I think I got it. I got that one. Come on.
Let's go, Delvin. Give us another big one. Don't stop screaming. That guy's about, I would say, a year old, if that. Because you're quiet, they're not jumping, you gotta it's actually to gain speed. When they jump really high and slam on their side, it's actually to clean themselves off.
Say what? There you go. You're right there.
Got 2 on the leg. They also like Taylor Swift, that's why.
Yeah, they're good. Sharks are straight up the ship, right? Okay, take the shot. Oh, that's 2 though.
It's 2 of them right there.
Oh, that
They move fast. Up, up, up! It's like 3 of them over there.
Got a couple on the left now.
You right there. Oh! Don't drop your phone. I'm getting all of it too, Ebony.
Man, you guys are getting a long dolphin show. Well, give it up for your dolphins!
Hey!
Everybody back to your seat. We gotta get out of here. What do we say to the captain? Thank you.
Thank you!
Hey, what do we say to my boss when he asks you?
We didn't do this!
You did nothing.
Okay.